It's a 2016 Audi A3. From the beautiful exterior to the power and precision of the engine, this A3 is crafted to give you a luxury compact that makes a big impression. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Streaming audio, power heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, front and rear parking sensors, doors and push button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, power convertible roof, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. Road and Track points out, inside, the A3 sedan's cabin lives up to every expectation you might have based on prior experience in modern Audis. When you drive an Audi, the design and the performance make sure you stand out in a crowd. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
We're proud to be a 10-time winner of Audi's prestigious Magna Award. We are conveniently located at 170 Main Dunstable Road in Nashua, New Hampshire, off Route 3 at Exit 5.